Hi, this is Stephen from NYU Libraries. We are talking over chat. I'm just going to walk you through very quickly how to get to the Wall Street Journal online via Factiva. Here we go. From the library homepage, I'm going to click on the Journals tab, and I'm going to type in Wall Street Journal. I'm going to take on the first option, the first results, and here we have Factiva. I click on this, and when you're within the NYU network, it'll take you to the Factiva database eventually. And it has the Wall Street Journal Online has already been recognized here. So all these are articles from the Wall Street Journal Online. What I can do next is modify the search. So I'm going to click on that over here on the right. And I'm going to narrow down the dates to within the last 5 years because this article was published in 2015. And I'm going to click on search form. And with the exact phrase, how Brazil's China-driven commodities would boom when bust, I'm going to click search. And that's how I got to the result. So that's how it works. If you click on the title, you'll be able to see the full article listed here. So if you have any questions, let us know.